I'm Rob Forsythe, co-founder and CEO at Moovement. We provide actionable intelligence across the entire dairy supply chain through our cloud-based and web-based software. What that means is we bring everyone on the dairy supply chain together to help solve problems in real time, getting rid of the old pen and paper model where problems come up and you don't really know where the problem is or how to solve them. So we solve that in minutes or seconds. Milk Movement started because my co-founder worked at a dairy cooperative and saw how paper-based and manual the dairy supply chain was. And exactly that. Milk and dairy and agriculture is the backbone of a lot of our economies. And really, it's time to bring it into the 21st century. So he saw that opportunity to bring technology and innovation to dairy and really help this industry thrive more than it is today. In January 2021, we were actually just finishing Techstars. We did the Minneapolis Farm to Fork program, and we had just opened our seed round. So at that time, it was meeting with a ton of investors and trying to raise the round. And then we actually closed quite quickly and raised 3.2 million US, or actually closer to 4 million Canadian at that time. We were also 12 employees, which is kind of crazy to think now. And we were just starting to scratch the surface of repeatable sales process and finding scale. And I'm excited to say that we've come a long way in this last year. So as of now, and looking at this final quarter, we're now 38 employees. We've got major marquee clients across the US, including California Dairies and United Dairymen of Arizona, really prominent names. We've also grown revenue about 350% across from Q1 to Q4, which is incredible and helped us really push through that growth. And yeah, just excited to see what 2022 has in store for us. C100 has been really interesting, and I think in hindsight awesome for us because we are a Canadian company with mainly Canadian employees, but most of our investors and clients are in the US. So there's a real back and forth there, and I found that C100 members understood that. As typically being Canadians but working in the US, they understood that dynamic and when how to play that right and when it can really benefit Canadian companies and Canadian founders. So I found a lot of peers and mentors in the program who knew what we were going through and could help us walk through what that was like. And I think as well, the caliber of C100 members is incredible. A lot of really senior employees and executives from really prominent brands. So we were able to kind of commiserate or work with other founders in the area, but also just get really top tier talent from large tech companies as well. So it ran the gamut for us.